how much of this experience do you think you're going to take back into, let's say we're post-COVID, you're going back into the clinical setting and into the hospital setting. Are there things you've picked up as a result of this process that you're saying, hey, going forward, we're going to incorporate some of this?
There are. I mean, like I said, the documentation piece. So I'm a nurse by background. So the documentation of the vaccine, of any vaccine, is a little bit cumbersome. You have to put in an NDC code. I think it's about 11-digit code. You have to put in a lot number. You have to put in a manufacturer. There's about 9 different fields of information. And so what we recognized, if we're going to do this on a mass scale, we've got to be able to do it very quickly. And so we created a multi-field barcode. Every day we change that because our lot number might change on the type of drug that we're using that day. And so we created this process as well as the technology. So now instead of it taking about 60 seconds to document something, it takes about 2 seconds for the nurse to document. So, shaving, you're from informatics, shaving off a minute times 20,000 patients is pretty substantial. And I can tell you, it also gives it a better experience for your clinician. So, as you can imagine, if it's one thing to just document that on 1 or 2 patients, maybe 10 patients a day, when we're documenting that on hundreds of patients every single hour, it can be really tiring, especially if I say, hey, you're going to do it outside where it's 32 degrees and you have goggles on, you can't see the screen. All of those things make an impact. And so this technology is really key to making sure that the process continues to run smoothly. So the thing that we're going to take back from this, COVID has somewhat changed our culture of the world where we need things to be changed instantly. So, we joke now, we used to take these long cycle times of like, oh, we're going to pilot that for 6 weeks and then we'll get back feedback from the customer for another 2 weeks. And now we're in the process of, we do it in hours, which is, it's good. And yet it's exciting in a lot of ways too. But literally we just made, for example, a change to this app. We just changed it last night. I was just texting with one of our team leads who was asking me for feedback. They're going to go back and make those changes. And by tomorrow morning, we'll probably have some different things in there. But we all understand that we've got to continue to be iterative in our technology design and really listen to our clinicians who are using it and then make these adjustments and move forward.